Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to showcase a brand new project I have added to my portfolio, an AI powered YouTube video content extractor. This project combines the power of deep learning based OCR using EasyOCR, intelligent video frame extraction, automated document generation into document and PDF, all in one streamlined pipeline. How it works? So we input any YouTube video, it downloads, analyzes key visual frames by detecting significant changes, runs powerful OCR to extract all text content, and finally formats everything into a professional Word document and ready to share PDF. This tool can be a game changer for students, educators, researchers, and content creators who want to save hours of manual note taking. This project demonstrates skills like AI-driven document automation, computer vision, and image processing. Stay tuned, I will walk you through how the project works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you love seeing real AI ML projects you can actually use. Let's dive right in. So here I am taking this YouTube video example. Let me show you what this video is about. So this is the video. It's regarding to introduction to allergy testing assignment. So what if we want to extract this all of the text and convert into a document or PDF from this video onwards. So using this example, we have created this Python project, and these are the requirements. Basic library we have to install to run this project. So after running this script, it first download the video. So after downloading, it downloads the detection model. Then OCR progress will be happen on it. As this NN pack is not supported in the Mac, so it takes too much time. Once this OCR process get complete, it will save into a document as well as into a PDF, and we'll get this result as all assignment content extracted and formatted successfully, which I have mentioned into this print function. So here what the results we are getting, this is the document as well as this is the PDF. Let me show you each and every detail it have extracted. So total there are around 185 pages it have.